Hey G-Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode we got this cool on this right here, and basically what this is a corner shelf or just a shelf in general that you can use anywhere you want to. If you can see the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here is a 5 tier, but they do have this available in smaller tiers like 4 tier and 3 tier as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see how big and how small you guys need. But here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so here is basically everything that's included in the package. So they probably got the strap option, so that way you can strap against the wall if you guys want to. Right here they do probably guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up. Right here we do have the feet, and here we have the leg, and then right here we do have the different boards or different wood. So the whole setup process and everything shouldn't take that long. It should be pretty easy. I don't even need to look at the instruction manual because I already set this up before, but like a different version. So to start assembling it to show you guys how to do it. So the first thing I just want to do is get out the feet right here first, and you just grab any of the board and just put the feet underneath it and then stick the pole on top. So just go like this. And you guys want to do the same thing for all of them. Alright, and you guys want to make sure all of them are tight. Once all 4 of them are tight, you can put the next one on top. And you don't grab the next pole and put it on top. And you basically want to repeat that same step over and over until you guys reach the top. Alright, and then for the last one, there's no more tube. So what you're gonna do is put the remainder part on top. Alright, so we're all done. So this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. So you definitely have the option to put it wherever you guys want, but the way how to design it actually lets you guys fit it into the corner if you guys want to. So just like this. So as I put it in a corner like that, you do have the option available. They do have a similar option that's slightly different. I will show you guys what she looks like and what I'm talking about in a second. But I'm actually bringing the camera a little bit closer to show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do assemble it. Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like from up close. So here is the top. Here is the next section. Here is the next one. Here is the next one. And then here is the final one in the bottom, which has the feet in the bottom like I mentioned. But once you guys do fully set it up, eventually it definitely looks pretty nice. I believe the weight capacity for each different section was around like 30 pounds or somewhere around that range. But the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It took me roughly around like 11 minutes or so to fully set it up. And the cool thing about this product is the fact that even though we got the 5 tier, you do have the option to take off each different tier if you guys want to. So let's say if you guys don't want to use 5 tier and you guys want to use 4, you can definitely take off 1 tier and not use 1 tier if you guys want to. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Now let me show you guys the other one that I was talking about. So if you guys move it over here, here is basically the other one. So you guys notice for this one, it's like a curved design. It doesn't have a square design. But for this one, if you can see, we do have a 5 tier as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when you guys look at it from side by side, here is basically what the product looks like. So these are the 2 different options available if you guys are interested. And for both of them, it doesn't take that long like I mentioned. Both of them takes you around like 10 minutes to actually set it up, which is pretty fast. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys do assemble it. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice and actually works pretty well. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So regardless if you guys get this one or this one, I do have to say that both of them are actually pretty worth it. If you guys are trying to look for a high quality shelf that's super easy for you guys to assemble it, and actually looks pretty nice as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.